You are a radiographer. You want to work in Europe. And someone tells you there is a country inside the European Union where English is the working language. The healthcare system is actively hiring international radiographers right now. And you can legally be on your way within 6 to 9 months. That country is Ireland. And this video is your complete guide. Registration, salary, live jobs, visa routes, and the honest limitations nobody else tells you. This is part of my European country series. If you missed last week's full Europe overview, the link is on the screen right now. Let us get into Ireland. Before I go into the details, let me tell you why Ireland specifically deserves your serious attention as a radiographer in 2026. Three reasons. Reason 1, English. No language exam. No 2 years of study before you can apply. No barriers between you and the job. If you are watching this video right now, you already speak the language you need to work in Ireland. Reason 2, European Union membership. Working in Ireland gives you European Union professional registration, EU residency rights, and the right to move anywhere across the 27-member European Union in the future. No amount of UK work experience gives you this. The UK left the European Union in 2020. Ireland didn't. Reason 3. The jobs are real and live right now. Alliance Medical, UPMC, Whitfield Hospital, Beacon Hospital, Aurelia Hospital, Bond Secures, BlackRock Health, all advertising radiographer roles in Ireland today. I searched this morning before filming this video. CORU, CORU, the Health and Social Care Professional Council. This is Ireland's regulatory body for radiographers, equivalent to the HCPC in the UK. And registration with CORU is mandatory. The process has 2 stages. Let me walk you through both, including the fees, the documents, the timeline, and the mistakes that slow people down. Stage 1, qualification recognition. This costs 410 euros. CORU compares your academic records, your course curriculum, and your clinical training hours with Irish standards. If your qualification is comparable, you move forward. If there are significant differences, CORU may require you to complete a period of adaptation. This could mean extra exams or a period of supervised practice in Ireland to address any gaps. CORU considers every application individual. The documents you need for stage 1, every single one of these must be in order before you submit, because application will not be processed until payment is received and all documents are verified. I want to stop you here and give you a specific warning that has delayed many applications. CORU requires your actual graduation certificate, not a letter from your university. These are different documents. Your university may issue a letter confirming your degree classification immediately after your results, but CORU will not accept that. They need the physical graduation certificate, which may take weeks or months longer to arrive. So you should have planned for this. Stage 2, registration. Once stage 1 is complete and your qualification is recognized, you apply for registration. This costs 100 euros. The registration process includes Garda vetting. That is the Irish police clearance check, equivalent to a DVS check in the UK, PCC in India. Stage 2 takes further 12 to 16 weeks. One more important point about renewal. The renewal date for radiography registration in Ireland is the 31st of October each year. If you register in July, your registration will not last for a full year before the renewal date. You will pay the 100 euro renewal fee in October and then again each year. Budget for this from day 1. 610 euros total if you are account for the renewal. 6 to 9 months from start to registration, so plan accordingly. If you already hold HCPC registration from the UK, your CORU application is significantly strengthened. CORU and HCPC have aligned professional standards. Some Irish employers explicitly accept HCPC-registered radiographers as eligible to apply, even before CORU registration is complete, provided you demonstrate eligibility. In practice, if you are HCPC registered and applying for jobs in Ireland, many employers will shortlist you and hold your offer conditional on CORU being completed. You do not always have to wait 9 months before you can apply. Start applying while you start the CORU process. Let me talk about salary. I am showing you the official figures, not estimates, not third-party surveys. The Forza Union publishes the official HSE health salary scales for all healthcare grades in Ireland. These were most recently updated on the 9th of June 2026. This is the most current data available. Now let me put these numbers in context for you, because numbers without context means very little. A basic grade radiographer in Ireland starts at 44,511 euros. In the UK, a band 5 radiographer starts at 29,970 pounds. At today's exchange rate, the Irish entry-level salary is approximately equivalent to the UK band 6 starting salary. You enter Ireland at a level above where you would enter the UK NHS. At senior radiographer level, 58,000 to 67,000 euros. You are in NHS band 6 and lower band 7 territory. And at clinical specialist level, 65,000 to 77,000 euros per year, with allowances pushing the average to over 83,000. You are competing directly with NHS band 7 and band 8A salaries. The private sector in Ireland pays additionally on top of these scales. Pulse Jobs is currently advertising band 7 equivalent CT radiographer roles in Dublin at 44 to 45 euros per hour for ongoing positions. That is over 90,000 euros annually for a full-time contract. I want to show you the live job market, not archived listings, not screenshots from 6 months ago. What is available right now today as of this week? More than 25 visa sponsorship radiographer jobs on Indeed Ireland right now. Let me show you some of them. Material Test Inspection Limited, advertising for full-time radiographer roles in Cork. Full sponsorship available with relocation package. Aurelia Hospital, Dublin, a private hospital at Park West, Dublin, advertising for a CORU registered radiographer at 45,000 euros per year, full-time permanent, Monday to Friday. UPMC Whitfield Hospital, Waterford, advertising for senior radiographer MRI, UPMC Whitfield Hospital, Waterford. Bonsecures Health System, advertising a clinical specialist CT radiographer at their Tralee Hospital. 4 employers, 4 live jobs, all verified this week. The market is real. The jobs are there. For non-European Union radiographers, the visa route into Ireland is the Critical Skills Employment Permit. Let me explain exactly how it works, because this permit has specific advantages that most people do not know about. First, radiographers are explicitly listed on Ireland's Critical Skills Occupations list. This is the government's list of professions Ireland considers a priority for international recruitment. Being on this list means your application skips a step called the Labour Market Needs Test, the process where an employer normally has to prove they cannot find a suitable local candidate before hiring internationally. For critical skills professions, this test is waived entirely. Faster, simpler, and more predictable. The minimum annual salary must be at least 40,904 euros from day 1 of employment, not after probation, not after 6 months, from day one. And as you just saw from these Forza salary scales, the basic grade radiographer starting salary in Ireland is about 44,500, above the threshold from the very first pay point. Now, the two facts about this permit that most people do not know. Fact 1. Family reunification from day 1. Unlike some other visa types in Ireland, the critical skills employment permit allows your spouse and dependent children to come with you immediately from the day your permit is granted. You do not have to wait, settle, and then bring your family. You go together. Fact 2. Stamp 4 after 2 years. After 2 years of lawful employment on a critical skills permit, you become eligible for Stamp 4 residency permission. Stamp 4 means you can work for any employer in Ireland without needing any further permit. You are no longer tied to one employer. You have the freedom to change your jobs, negotiate your salary, and build your career freely. And beyond Stamp 4, after 5 years of residency in Ireland, you become eligible to apply for Irish citizenship, an EU passport, access to all 27 European Union members states to live and work. This is the long-term picture of what working in Ireland can lead to. Now, the part that most guides skip, the honest limitations. Because if I do not tell you this, someone else will after you have already made expensive decisions. Limitation 1. The CORU timeline is longer than most people expect. 6 to 9 months is realistic. Some applications takes longer if CORU requires more information or if a period of adaptation is required. Do not hand in your notice. Do not cancel your lease. Do not make any irreversible decision until your CORU registration certificate is in your hand. Limitation 2. The €410 recognition fee is non-refundable. Read it again. If CORU begins reviewing your application and decides your qualification require adaptation, you do not get your money back. Prepare your documents carefully before you submit. Limitation 3. Cost of living in Dublin. Dublin is one of the most expensive cities in Europe for rent. A one-bedroom apartment in Dublin city currently averages €2,000 to €2,400 per month. The salary is genuinely competitive, but you need to budget carefully. My strong recommendation: look at roles in Cork, Galway, Waterford, Limerick, Sligo. The HSE salary scales are identical across Ireland. The cost of living is significantly lower outside Dublin. Limitation number 4. You cannot work clinically before your CORU registration is complete. Ireland's law is clear on this. Unlike some countries where you can begin in a supported capacity while awaiting registration, the protected title of radiographer in Ireland cannot be used without CORU. Plan your finances to support yourself through the registration period. Let me be direct about who Ireland is actually the right choice for and who may be better served by another destination. Ireland is ideal for you if you speak English, if you have a BSc degree in radiography, you have MRI or CT experience, because that is what Irish employers are most actively seeking right now. You want European Union residency and European Union free movement rights, and you are willing to plan for a 6 to 9 months registration timeline. Ireland may not be your first choice if you have a diploma rather than a degree, because CORU's standards are degree level. Or if you need to be working within 3 months, the CORU timeline simply does not allow this. Or if maximizing salary is your primary goal, Australia and the UAE offer higher absolute salaries at specialist level. Let me leave you with 3 things you can do this week. Not this month, this week. Action 1. Email CORU today. Their email For international qualification queries is registration@coru.ie. Send them your qualification details and ask whether your specific degree is on the approved qualification list or will require the full recognition process. This one email saves you weeks of uncertainty. Do it today. Action 2. Go to the Forza website and read the radiographer salary scales. They are updated as of this week. Understand where your experience level sits on the scale. Know your number before you speak to any employer. Action 3. Search Indeed Ireland for radiographer roles in your modality right now. Set up a job alert. Get familiar with what Irish employers are asking for, the terminology they use, and the salary ranges they advertise. The more familiar you are with the market, the stronger your application when the time comes. Next Saturday, Malta, a tiny Mediterranean island inside the European Union, where English is an official language and the entire healthcare system appears in English. The salary is not the highest in Europe, but what Malta offers in terms of European Union career platform and quality of life might genuinely change your thinking. Join me for that. If this video helped you, please share it with one radiographer who has been asking about Ireland. It might change the direction of their career. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and, and tell me in the comments, are you already in the CORU process? And if not, what is the one thing stopping you from starting? With this note, Partha Jyoti signing out. Take care.